We work hard to give our customers the very best, so when they share how happy they are with us, we love sharing that news with the world. One of our customers loved our customer service so much that they left this review online. When our customers give us glowing reviews like this one, it helps us know we're fulfilling our commitment to provide every customer with a first-class experience. We love hearing great feedback because it really is our goal to satisfy everyone who works with us. Now that's a total win-win situation. But please, don't take their word for it. We're confident that you'll discover the difference for yourself when you work with our expert team. Attention to detail and unmatched quality are our specialties. If we can help you or the people you care about, don't hesitate to call the number on your screen. Thank you for spending a bit of time with us. We hope to see you again soon.